Hi everyone, this is Saurabh from simplyautomated.com, and in this video I'll be telling you how you can connect Google Sheets to n8n. The very first thing which you have to do is you need to sign into your n8n account, and then you need to click on create workflow, and from here click on add the first step. We'll just use trigger manually, and then we click on this plus sign, and then we search for Sheets. So we got the Google Sheets, and let's say we want to update a row in a sheet, and then it will open up this window where we click on select credential, and then we click on create new credential. So here on this screen we need to enter the client ID and the client secret ID, and for that how you can get it, this I have already covered in my previous video when I connected Google Drive to n8n. You can watch that video, and you can also get all the instructions from this document. I just followed this document in my previous video to get the client secret and the client ID. And let me just go back to my account here, and I'll just show you. We go into credentials. So these were the credentials which we had created. We click on that again, and here is my client ID. Let me just copy it, and then I enter it here. And next, the client secret ID, I copied it and I paste it here, and then I just rename it to Simply Automated Google Sheets. Then we leave this to OAuth 2, which is the recommended one. We click on save, and then we click on sign in with Google. We select our account, we click on allow, and the connection is successful, and we can see the notification the account is created. We can just close it out, and we can see that the account is created. Let's just close this one. Let's just delete the node. Let's add it again, and we'll see our account is already connected. Just click on update row. See Google Simply Automated Google Sheets. So this is how you're going to connect Google Sheets account to n8n. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments down below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again in my next video.